Yes, guten Morgen, good morning, good afternoon. This is your boy Sotam City. So today I'm gonna do a tutorial. So the tutorial is gonna be how to know the speed of your internet provider. So first of all, you go to the website, you tap on www.speedtest.net. So I repeat, www.speedtest.net, and it's gonna put you on the website. So you see the website. So speed test, and my two main provider is Bravo Telecom and Bell Canada. That's my two provider. And you know why I have two provider? If one provider is offline, I go straight to the other provider. I go to Bell Canada. Imagine. So if there's a outage with Bravo Telecom, I go to the other provider with Bell Canada because Bell Canada, la vie est belle. So why I have two provider? Because I work mainly at home. So I work a remote job. So I work at home. So if one provider is offline, I go to the next provider. And by the way, for you guys who don't know who is Bravo Telecom, Bravo Telecom is a subcontractor of Videotron. Videotron. If you guys live in Canada, you know what I'm talking about. Okay? So you go down, you can see the desktop app. You can troubleshoot your Wi Fi. You can check for the outage in your city, in your town. You can prepare to talk to your ISP, and you can even download the mobile apps. But for now, what we are focusing, our main focus is on how much speed do you need. So you push on that, push on the button, how much speed do you need, and it's gonna take you here. So how much speed is right for you? So they say here, when thinking about your own need for speed, it's key to consider how your network will be used and how many people will use it. You likely don't need a ton of speed if you mainly use the internet to browse the web. But for those who work from home, like me, or have multiple people using the same connection, you need faster speed. So here you go up, and you see the speed test, and you go down. Are your speed fast enough? So how fast are your speed? So to 0 to 5 megabyte per second, it's a slow connection. You can do only SD video streaming, Slack, Microsoft Teams. You can do Microsoft Team. You can send email. You can do social media and web browsing. It's very slow. It's restricted. And after you have 5 to 20 megabyte per second, it's better, but still it's too mild. So you can do high definition video streaming. So you can do HD video streaming, And after that, you have 20 to 40 megabyte per second. That's solid. You can do 4K video streaming and also online gaming. And 40 to 100 megabyte per second, that's good. That's awesome. That's what I have. I can stream HD games, video streaming, 4K video streaming as well. So that's good. And after that, 100 and more megabyte per second, that's fast. You could do multiplayer gaming, 4K video streaming, and huge file downloads. And the top notch, the top of them all, the top shutter, you have 1+ gigabyte per second. That's too fast. And in parentheses, they say, is there such a thing too fast? So you could do anything you want on multiple device. Good. So me, like you saw before, I have 64.07 megabyte per second, and for my upload is 6.08 megabyte per second. So 64, you see, it's considered good. 40 to 100 megabyte per second is considered good. So, all right, so that's about it. So you just navigate the website. And by the way, you could choose your languages as well. You have English, you have in Dutch, in Arabic, in Espagnol, en français, Italiano. Come vai? Chinese, I think it's Korean, Netherlands, Polski, Polonia, Portuguese. I think it's Russia, Zwenka, etc. Okay, so you can choose the speed you want. So basically, it's very accurate. So excellent. So thank you for tuning in. So as you can see, there's many languages for the speed test, because we live in a material world, and if you exceed the speed of light, you would not be on planet Earth. So, and it's very important for the speed. The more speed you have, the more good is the connection to the World Wide Web. Thank you for tuning in. Hope it was helpful. And by the way, for you guys who don't know me yet, my name is Sotam City. You know what Sotam City stands for? Sotam City stands for Sotam, the cool technician. Thank you. Grazie, like they say in Italiano. Grazie. Arrivederci.
Like more, like more. Like more, like more. Like more, like more. Like more.
Even though I know you may hate me, I can't go. I'm scared you go away. I need you home, like so. crew. We gotta see this through. No pure love left, just hearts that break into karma's levy. Weighs me down tonight, just like I'm drowning. Can't get it right. I see love in mine's never shining through. No one's gonna love you like I do. I watch and play, wishing I could feel that thrill. Oh my dear.